Do you know many people are having trouble with adjusting car seat harnesses? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Loosen harness. Press the harness release button and pull the shoulder straps forward to loosen them. Step 2. Adjust headrest. Adjust the headrest so the harness straps are at the right height for your child's position. Step 3. Position child. Place your child in the seat, ensuring their back and bottom are flat and straps are untwisted. Step 4. Secure buckle. Secure the buckle by inserting the tongues until they quick and adjust the chest clip to armpit level. Step 5. Tighten strap. Tighten the harness by pulling on the adjuster strap until it fits snugly without slack. After these steps, your Evenflo Revolve360 Slim harness should be properly adjusted. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Evenflo users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.